This activity is parachutes. I love this activity. It's a great way for kids to ask questions, do some experiments they designed themselves. So I'll make one here and show you how you do that. I just start off with, look like ordinary coffee filters, but no, these are 4-H parachutes, official. Other materials are string. I use this really lightweight string from just a local store. Paper clips, washers as weights, you can control that variable. Some tape, a pair of scissors, and a tape measure if you want to measure heights and that type of thing the kids are dropping the parachutes from. I'll make one here, and I just take the parachute. Remember, not a coffee filter, but a parachute, and just tape it on. This one I'm going to actually tape 4 strings on, but you can, with kids, that's another variable they can control, is taping 3 strings, or sometimes they want to try 2, or sometimes 5. But that's what's nice about it, it's their world. They can control that variable. So I'll tape one on here too. And the strings are only about 1 foot long. That's another variable the kids can control, is how long the strings are too. And then you bring all the strings together into a point, tie this into a knot, and I hook a paper clip to that. And the paper clip acts as a hook, really, so you can add more weight to it. And I'll just kind of hook the paper clip through the little knot there somehow, ever so gently. And then I can hang some weights from this. And then we're ready to launch our parachute. I think I'll just put a couple weights on, but ooh, that's another variable kids could control, are the weights too. I try to grab the parachute by the middle. I'm gonna stand up on the stool to get some height. This works really good dropping from a stairwell, dropping from a higher point there. So we'll see what happens with this one here. 3, 2, 1, launch. Ooh la la. So this activity is great for kids to control their world again and ask those questions. Remember, it doesn't get any better than the question. So we'll watch and see how the kids do this.
Oh, okay. 2, 1, drop. Okay, 1, drop. Whoa! Oh, very cool. 1, drop. Oh, it definitely went faster, didn't it? Yeah. Yeah, that extra weight. That's really good. That's a good experiment. 1, drop. Oh.
It's so great watching the kids do this and doing it with them, because they're manipulating their world. They're actually asking questions, and that's what science is. That's the essence of science, is asking questions. The parachute is a great way of kind of driving that home. With any activity, you want to make sure you think about safety first. So if you're from a stairwell, make sure you're using good safety thoughts and other ways of dropping it. You know, that's what we always watch out for first. One example, a lot of times the kids want to change the number of strings. And this one has 4, maybe they want to try it with 3, but they need to know that to control the variables, make sure they have the same weight, same length of string, so they're getting good information. But all this really leads to helping kids to being good problem solvers and being in control of their world around them. Great project.